Em7 guitar chord. Claw your hand and fingers firmly, thumb to the top, and approach the guitar neck from behind at this angle with your thumb somewhere over the 6th string 2nd fret, not touching the string. First fingertip on the 5th string 2nd fret, second fingertip on the 4th string 2nd fret, corner, and your third fingertip on the 2nd string 3rd fret. This chord is mostly played before a G, in which case you wouldn't have to move your 3rd finger, or before or after a C add 9 in that type of sequence, or an A7. Em7 can also be played with the little finger on the 1st string 3rd fret, but we won't be looking at that chord in our beginner's course. And it can also be played by taking off the 2nd finger, depending on the song that you're playing. But on our beginner's program, we will be using the 1st and 2nd finger and the 3rd fingertip. You strum 6 strings and all 6 strings sound.